Roses are red, violets are blue. English has 8 strange ways to say somebody likes you. Here are 8 idioms about romance. Number 1, sweet on someone. He brings her lemonade. He laughs at every joke. He has combed his hair for the first time in years. Being sweet on someone means quietly, obviously smitten. Number 2, head over heels. Technically, your head is always over your heels. Love flips it anyway. Head over heels means so completely in love that physics gives up. Number 3, puppy love. Big eyes, boundless devotion. Zero long-term planning. Puppy love is young, dizzy infatuation, adorable and doomed to be outgrown. Number 4, pop the question. One knee, one tiny box. One extremely rehearsed sentence forgotten instantly. Popping the question means proposing marriage. Number 5, tie the knot. 2 ropes, 1 knot, hopefully tied by someone who knows knots. Tying the knot means getting married. The knot is love and paperwork. Number 6, carry a torch. Years pass, others move on. One small flame refuses to go out. Carrying a torch means still loving someone long after it ended. Number 7, play hard to get. Extremely interested. Acting extremely not. It is a strategy, apparently. Playing hard to get means pretending indifference on purpose. Number 8, court disaster. Some people court sweethearts. Others bring flowers to catastrophe's door. Courting disaster means flirting with a terrible outcome repeatedly. And that is 8 idioms about romance. Go be sweet on somebody. Physics can handle it. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.